Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get lettuce in Hytale. Now the first way is to of course go ahead and harvest lettuce from the wild. That is pretty rare to come by. Sometimes when you go on top of such structures or go into some villages, you might find chests, and if you open these chests, you do get things like seed bags, including lettuce seed bags. You can go ahead and grab that and grow it, or what you could do is you could make one yourself. So if I go ahead and teleport back to my base right here, I'll show you what exactly you need to do. You need to get a farmer's workbench. So once you have that, you just need to go ahead and press F on your keyboard, and this will open up the farming section. Now in this farming section, make sure you go ahead and craft a hoe. Right here, as you can see, you just need 2 pieces of any tree trunk, 1 piece of any stone, craft that. You need an empty watering can. You need 3 pieces of iron ingot, craft that as well. And then all you need to do is actually come here and click on seeds, and you need to go ahead and craft a lettuce seed bag. You just need 2 pieces of essence of life, which you can get by harvesting fruits, vegetables, pumpkins, things like that. So we craft this, and as you can see, we have crafted that. And then what you do is you go ahead and grow your lettuce. So you till your land. As you can see right here, I have a farm, little farm. I'll till that. I'll go ahead and water my land, and then I'll come here and plant a seed. So we'll just go ahead and right click here with our seed bag. Now we'll water this. As you can see, once it has been watered, you just wait for it to grow, and then you can harvest it. So if I press F right now, you can go ahead and harvest this lettuce. As you can see right there. And that is how to get lettuce in Hytale. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.